In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice in Instagram call. Instagram doesn't offer a built-in way to change your voice during live voice or video calls. So the key is to use a real-time voice changer app that runs alongside Instagram and processes your microphone as you talk. Here is the idea: a real-time voice changer routes the audio from your phone's mic through a filter. Then outputs the modified sound to your call. This means your friend on Instagram hears the transformed voice instantly without you editing anything afterward. First, install a reputable real-time voice changer from your app store. Search terms like real-time voice changer, or look for well-rated tools known for low delay and stability. Apps such as Magical or similar reputable options are good starting points. Read recent reviews, confirm it supports live calls, and check compatibility with your device. After installing, open the app and grant microphone permissions so it can process your voice. If your device asks to allow the app to run over other apps or to appear on top, accept those prompts to ensure it can stay active while you are on Instagram. Next, choose the voice or effect you want. Most apps include presets like male, female, cartoon, robot, or alien. Select one and, if available, fine-tune sliders for pitch, depth, and resonance to get a natural sound. A quick voice preview inside the app helps you hear how it'll come across. For best clarity, use wired or Bluetooth headphones so you can monitor your call without creating echo through your phone's speaker. Keep the input gain moderate to avoid distortion, and make sure the app's toggle for live processing is turned on before you place your call. Now, start your Instagram call. Leave the voice changer running in the background. It should keep processing your mic automatically. If the other person can't hear the effect, switch back to the voice changer briefly to confirm it's active, then return to Instagram. Closing other apps that use the microphone can also help prevent conflicts. A stable internet connection will reduce lag and keep your altered voice in sync. A couple of quick tips: use effects respectfully and follow local rules about call recording or voice alteration if they apply. Let friends know you are using a filter when appropriate. Finally, remember that call quality depends on both your device and network. So experiment with a few presets to find the clearest, most convincing sound. That's it. Thanks for watching.